Hey everyone, I know it's been a while since I've seen all you guys and you're probably missing my voice. So here it is. I passed this out the week before we were out. Just want to touch base with you guys, make sure you guys know how to do it. It's on here in Google Classroom in case you forgot it or lost it or whatever. Just do it on your own piece of paper and then upload a picture of it. So what I did was I just Googled perfect squares, looked at the images, and just came up with and just pulled up a list that looks like it'll be helpful. So this one has it from 1 through 30. So I'm going to go ahead and use that list. So I'm just going to keep this up because this looks like it's going to be a useful list. So these are the numbers you want to use. So going back to the worksheet, 32 and 99 are huge. So instead of multiplying those out, I'm going to simplify right at the beginning. So we have negative 5 times 32. Oops, I wrote a 2 first. 32b, then times 799b. Well, I know from the 32 that based on this list, I know it's divisible by 4. All right, here's a calculator. I know 32 is divisible by 4, but 8's also divisible by perfect square, but it's also divisible by 16. So I'm going to go with 16 and 2. So 32 is the same thing as 16 times 2. So I'm going to go with 16 times 2 instead of 32. So I'm going to rewrite this 32 as the negative 5 still in front, and it's times 16 times 2, and then there's still square root of b there, times 7. And then 99 clearly is 9 times 11, so I'm going to rewrite that as 9 times 11. And then there's still square root of b there. All right, so we got this going on. That's a lot of numbers. So this 16 right here, I'm going to replace with 4. This 9, I'm going to replace with 3. So that's going to leave me with negative 5 times 4 times 7 times 3. So that's going to be, this doesn't have a, I don't think this has a negative sign. Does it? I'm not sure. But it's going to be negative. So it's 5 times 4 times 7 times 3, and it's going to be negative 420. Okay. And then you still have all these have square roots, 2, b, 11, and b. So you still have 2, b, 11, and b. The 2 and the 11, you can't do anything about it, so that's going to be square root of 22. And then b times b is b squared, which is going to cancel out. This square root and this square are going to cancel out. So this is going to cancel, and now this is going to be over here with the 420. So it's going to be negative 420 b square root of 22. So any of you guys just looking up answers online, you're not going to get credit if you don't show any work. So here's all the work. I'm giving you guys 2 days to do those 2 worksheets because I know that they take a lot of time, and you can even have the whole weekend. So you have 4 days, and I gave this to you last Friday. So you have plenty of time. Take your time, work on it. Let me know if you get stuck. Let me know if numbers aren't making sense, or if you just get stumped and can't figure it out. Just email me, message me, whatever. I'm sitting around here at home.